These are the sardines. These are the large ones. They came in 3 in the can, packed in oil. After I drained them, then I gave them a quick rinse with water. And this is going to be added to the flour mixture, which I'm using semolina flour. I just like it. You don't have to use it. You can use any flour you want. Whole wheat, all purpose. And this will break up a little bit more. And then I'm adding the water to this that goes into the flour. So then I'm going to mix this. Into this, the flour with the seasoning and the baking powder. There's the mixture. Everything is in there exactly the way it's written on the recipe. I'll put this in the refrigerator for a half hour, then scoop them out. Now I'm going to scoop them in there. This may take a couple of times. I think I have quite a bit here. Actually, this is my breakfast. I wanted to make something different. I'm tired of eating the same old thing. And this, I think 1 or 2 more, and that's it for this batch. Cover that, come back in a half hour and take a look at them. Well, this is making more than I thought. In here we have 9, and what I'm going to eat for my breakfast are only 3 of these. And I will take just a little bit of the broth and the vegetables. Which will be like so. And then the rest I will put in a container with some of the broth and finish making the rest, and I will leave on the video how many balls, dumplings I have made. Hope you enjoy this.